Alright, hello guys, welcome to my channel again, welcome to our new video. So today we're gonna take a look at one of the best communities here in Oakland Park, okay? Family homes, really spacious. Today we're gonna look at the Chapman Model for the Pulte Homes, okay? Pulte Homes, new constructions, beautiful homes for every type of family. So let's take a look, let's see what we have. Hello guys, so welcome to the Chapman Model at 38010 Hibiscus Avenue, Lauderdale Lakes. It's starting at $560,000, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage, 1662 square feet. The 1-story, 3-bedroom Chapman is perfect for your family. Enjoy the time together in your open gathering room and kitchen space, or sleep away to one of the 3 bedrooms in the house. The space will welcome you home every day. Step into this home to see the life-tested home designs with more usable space where you want it the most, so you live the way you want to live at this beautiful home. Enjoy the tour, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys your time. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Anything that you guys need to know about these new communities for your families, okay? Yeah, please remember to subscribe, like button, everything that you guys need. I will be more than happy to create more content or any suggestions you guys have. So welcome to your channel. Thank you for watching the video guys. Have a wonderful day.